Good morning, everyone. This is Hurobo Bible Reading Platform. Today I'm reading Matthew chapter 7, verse 13 to 15 in Hurobo language. Obe Matthew, Uyobe Roye, Igwe, Awo Roye, Ikwera Rite, Ikwinyurin. Verse 13. Onwanwa Anuroro, Okwakwana, Kidie, Igere, Ro Ehere, Kugbe alururu ohehere onye igerere ụgwọrọ ikwo bebu inene egereyena. Verse 14. Kidie igere re uyotana wakwakwa pion onye ore arona ikwo tutuno resa wonomre. Verse 15. Kenumake emraro re efia riku ewu re ogegedebihọ ye obo evurayin wa brabra gbegbe kere okporokpo. Thank you.